parcel. Joystick analog. You know. 5 pin. Joystick na naman. Analog joystick. 5161BS 1 digit 7 segment LED 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 common cathode or common anode. 7 segment LED display, 8 pins. Mount holder ng ultrasonic sensor. Diba? May mga screw. Ultrasonic sensor, 4 pins. Paggawa ng robot. Ito yung mountings nya. Lalagyan mo lang dyan, ma-mount na. Ayun o, may screw nuts. Tig-tatlong screw nuts. Servo. Micro servo 9 grams SG90. 3 lines. Yun yung kanyang horn. May kasama pang horn. Oh. Para yan dito. Horn. Okay. Amplifier. TDA. Amplifier. Sound amplifier. May may heatsink. Right, left. Ground, BCC. Stereo. So ito laman ng ating package. Ultrasonic sensor, amplifier, servo with horn, ultrasonic holder, analog joystick at saka 7 segment LED.